Namaste. I am Dr. Hemlata from Indian Institute for Skill Development and Employment Training. Today I am here to tell about a new course which is known as GNM Assistant course. Now you all must have heard about GNM course. Yeah, true, GNM, that is General Nursing and Midwifery. This is a 3-year course after standard 12th. Now suppose if you want to do or if you want to pursue your career in a nursing sector, but you are just 10th standard, then what? Can you complete a nursing career with standard 10th? Yes, of course you can complete your nursing career with 10th standard itself, and the course for it is GNM assistant course. So the qualification for GNM assistant is 10th standard pass and 17 years of age. So this is a GNM assistant course, is specially tailor-made course under Apprenticeship Act. It comes under non-NAPS in optional trade, under Healthcare Sector Skill Council, under Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. So this is a specially designed tailor-made course as per the industry demands, and here the qualification is just standard 10th, and the age criteria is 17 years. So as I told you earlier, this comes under apprenticeship training. So now you'll ask me, what is the difference between apprenticeship training course and the traditional GNM course? So answer lies here. It is very simple. In this course, a lot of practical exposure is given. Here there is only 3 months of theoretical session and 9 months of practical training. This is just a 1-year course. So for this course, you just have to undergo a training of 1 year, wherein there is just 3 months of classroom training. So you just don't have to mug up the subject. You just have to understand the common nomenclature in nursing sector. That is, what do you mean by thermometer? What do you mean by injections? What do you mean by syringe? What is catheter? What is Ryle's tube? You just have to know these names and the uses of it. And when you are exposed to practical training for 9 months, you will actually know how to use this or where to use this. Now, to be very fair on this part, this is a special design course wherein you don't have to mug up anything. Even if you are poor in English, doesn't matter. If you score less in science, doesn't matter, but still you can complete your dream of becoming a nurse, that is a GNM assistant nurse. Here the basic classroom training is of 3 months, and the remaining 9 months you have to go to the specific hospitals which are assigned by your institute, where you go to the hospitals. There you actually act as a nurse. You are trained under a highly qualified staff, and you are directly exposed to the patients. You are directly asked to work there. You are directly taking the BP of the patient. You are directly taking the temperature of the patient, so you can know what is the normal temperature, what is hypothermia, what is hyperthermia, how there's fluctuation between heartbeats, how to take TPR, how to give orders, how to take orders, how to wash up yourself in the OT. All these things you do it practically, and so there's no chance that you will forget, because there is a simple thing that if you listen, you absorb half of it. If you see it, then you absorb 75% of it, but you absorb it completely if you are given a chance to do it. And here in the GNM assistant course, you are actually told to perform the duties. You are actually playing the role of a nurse in the hospital. So you yourself are in the shoes of the nurse, and you are taking or you are doing all the things which are assigned to the nurse. And believe me, after completing your 9 months of practical training under a qualified nurse in any hospital, you have a full confidence of working as a nurse or working independently or handling a single duty in the hospital. And this is the beauty of GNM assistant course. So remember, my dear students, if you are interested of pursuing your career in nursing, and if due to some reason you couldn't complete your education up to standard 12th, or you don't have that financial capacity of going to the nursing career, paying a huge fee fees, you can always complete your GNM assistant course. And this GNM assistant course is available in all the IISDT centers, and these IISDT centers are available throughout India, that is pan India, mostly in the districts. In each and every district you can find a IISDT center, and the beauty of the course is you learn while you earn, and you even for the scholarship you get scholarship for the smart students. So this is a course which is a combination of theoretical and practical training. So remember again, my dear students, if you are 10th standard pass and above the age of 17, you can always pursue your career as a GNM nurse through IISDT, and the qualification is just 10th standard and age criteria of 17 years. And here even you get a confidence to work as an independent nurse, or you can handle independent duty after completing your 1 year of course. So remember, dear, join in IISDT as a GNM assistant nurse. Thank you.